Hey guys, Tony here. Hope you're doing well. It is Monday, March 19th. I have some very positive and bullish news for you. Before we go into the news, I did want to highlight really quick here on the market cap list. We're seeing a lot of green. We're seeing some level of recovery. The 1 hour and 24-hour volume we're up for, it looks like, for the majority of coins here. So a positive sign. Let's hope this is not a bull trap. Let's hope things recover nicely and then we roll into that big bull run that we've been waiting for. And one of the positive news items that could be helping the market turn around, guys, Kevin O'Leary, who you may know from the TV show Shark Tank, but he's also a very successful businessman and investor, made billions selling companies and things along that line. He's involved in a project where a New York City hotel will be doing an ICO. That's right, an ICO, where they're going to be raising funds and giving away a third of their company valued at $400 million. So this coin is actually valued as a share of the company, which is interesting. First of its kind, I think, there. And Kevin is part of this project, and he was on CNBC talking about this, and he had some interesting comments, guys. Very interesting. And once again, keep in mind who he is. And really quick, this is what he looks like. If you don't know who Kevin O'Leary is, in the TV show Shark Tank, so he means business. He is all about money, making money. If you ever seen the show, he's all about money, guys. So he was very bullish about ICOs and crypto and talking about smart contracts. And he says, I'm a believer that asset-based coins will replace small cap stocks. That right there is a bullish statement. Now, he's not talking about any regular ICO, obviously. He's talking about asset-based coins. So the coin has to represent a stock or a value, right? But that is big because it gives validation to the crypto market that ICOs and with the potential of this crypto market. And he said here, this would allow, he added that ICOs backed by real assets would allow companies to circumvent much of the Wall Street middleman apparatuses, such as the army of investment bankers and venture capitalists, and sell directly to would-be stakeholders. That is huge, guys. And that's where I'm so glad I'm holding crypto and I'm in this market, and I'm going to look at, this ICO that they're going to be releasing for this hotel. I don't know what brand it is. It could be the Plaza, it could be the Hilton. He said he's under NDA, he couldn't say. So essentially, they're once again selling ownership in the company through a $400 million cryptocurrency offering instead of a stock IPO. And this is going to happen in 3 weeks. He said, and I quote, "You will be an owner of a third of this hotel. If it works, it will be the first of its kind." So this is big, guys. This is huge news. You got to really think about this. ICOs have been, many of them are considered scam. People are saying they're scammed and we need to regulate it. Well, if they're being backed by actual assets of a company, and it's a way for you to, invest in a company without having to go through a middleman in Wall Street and pay fees, that's going to disrupt the whole Wall Street process. This is huge. So I'm very curious and interested how this is going to go. I'm going to keep an eye out on it. I'll give you guys updates once it goes live in 3 weeks. And I'm, depending on the hotel brand and what they're trying to do and how many locations they have and how's their profitability and things like that, I may invest in this. And, one of his quotes was, he talked a bit about, they're not necessarily looking for big institutional money to come in here because he realizes the ICO, it engages the common folk who may spend, he said, like $20 to $40 on the coins, right? And if you get millions of people doing that, they could easily raise the $400 million, they could easily get the $400 million that they're looking to sell as far as part of their business. So this is very, very interesting and bullish. So once again, here's the article. You guys can go on CNBC and check it out. But, being a fan of Kevin O'Leary and the other folks on Shark Tank, I watched the TV show. I know this guy doesn't BS. He knows what he's doing, and he's looking to make money. So this is going to be very interesting. I'm going to keep an eye on it, as mentioned, and I'm very curious to see who the hotel is. And once again, bullish and positive news. These type of adoptions and integrations into the normal process of raising funds and investing will validate cryptocurrencies, ICOs, and build the trust. So things like this will help spur the market again, to get people to come in and be bullish and hungry to invest and looking to make profit. So I think this is great. What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe for more videos on cryptocurrencies. Talk to you guys later.